Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Hedera and Ripple building relentlessly. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, before we start, do check out the Crypto Growth official partners. As far as the exchange is concerned, we've got MEXC. You guys can check out their the link in the description box below for lowest fees, discounts, rebates, bonuses. It's interesting. Do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you guys can check out the biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out Decent's, by the way, Decent's biometric wallet 2x package, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, let's see what's happening with HBAR and XRP in real time. Any new info, any new post from community official handles? Let's see. So look at this. This is from Mike. A bit of optimism. There is negativity and skepticism in the air at the moment. This was a positive post over here from Mr. Mike. Mikey Don't Lie, by the way, interesting name over here. Attention, Hedera HBAR holders. Truth be told, lack of price action freaking sucks. Trust me, I get it. I'm down. My personal opinion is that Hedera is moving patiently while building relentlessly, building partnerships while they wait for clarity and regulation. These projects, the guys like projects like Hedera, the reason for its slow movement, first and foremost, in my opinion, is the regulation and lack of clarity throughout the globe, guys, because these projects, they require licenses and to sort out the legal stuff for it to basically function, and it becomes a really difficult process. Even we saw the SEC appeal, the SEC which appealed Judge Torres's decision that XRP is not a security. It is still a really confusing time in the market, to be honest, and frustrating as well, because the regulations aren't there, especially by the powerhouse USA. And let's hope by the after the elections and when the new government is formed, let's hope that it gets sorted out soon. We need a good framework, especially in the US, because guys, that is where the main it is, if whether someone agrees or not, that is the hub of global economy. They don't want to get into courts. They want to follow policies and regulations. They do stuff patiently. So we must wait. Take advantage of low pricing and hit your targets, then wait. I agree with you, with most of the people from the community, that it indeed becomes frustrating as you see different projects flying here and there, guys. To be honest, you want it has happened to me that you imagine yourself investing in that specific one, and then reallocating those funds with a bigger bag of Hedera or HBAR, and simply holding something becomes frustrating. So each one of us have their own strategies, but it really becomes difficult to time as well, to time something. So you never know that if you're investing in something, would it go up or would it even go lower? So we never know that as well, that if you take out your funds from one project to another, would that give you gains or not? It's that simple. Unfortunately, that's the name of the game. It is hard, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes I need to sell to make ends meet, but I don't stop until you're happy with your bags. There is great projects building on Hedera and people leaving blockchains to come to Hedera. That should tell you the future. I also wish Hedera leaders can provide some news and updates to keep us motivated, because guys, if they don't, skepticism, then and it becomes the norm. Look at this. As far as the optimism was concerned, we saw it, but there is really a lot of negativity at the moment. Look at this. Today I sold my final holdings in HBAR. I now own 0 HBAR after being an investor since day one. I am not leaving X. However, I will no longer be posting about HBAR. Feel free to unfollow me if you want. I wish you all the best with your HBAR investment. Let's see what the people have commented over here. Nothing beats doing yourself to the fullest extent in this world. Onwards. Okay, I appreciate it, brother. Crypto is a big, small place, lots of other networks to explore, and so on. So to each their own, guys, to be honest. We cannot force anyone, and if someone believes in another conviction hold, they have the right, they have the freedom to research and invest in anything they like, as long as they only invest what they can afford to lose. That's the mantra. BTC is almost at its ATH all-time high, while HBAR is pegged to 5 cents. So this is the frustration in terms of price that we're talking about. So these are some of the technicals over here. HBAR update. Corrective price action suggests the downtrend is not over yet. Lack of RSI divergence supports this idea. Look at this. The divergence isn't there yet. I expect a lower low before the purple line. Okay, so yeah, I expect a lower low before the purple line. This is the purple line over here. A recovery above the purple line and descending trend line will be indicative of a reversal. So it may take a while. We might go to the 4.5 cent levels, and after that, slowly and gradually, we might rise. Let's hope so. Let's see what's happening with the Hedera's official handle. Is there anything new? Any info? See how you can start using Chainlink data feeds on the Hedera testnet. Chainlink data feeds are now live on the Hedera testnet. Exciting news, Chainlink data feeds and CCIP. CCIP is the cross-chain interoperability protocol. If you do not know, guys, Chainlink is providing Oracle solutions all over the board, are actively being integrated on Hedera, providing the Hedera ecosystem with more tools to build secure, scalable applications and drive the adoption of on-chain ecosystems. HBAR Foundation has also joined Chainlink's Chainlink Scale program. Okay, so good. This is a really good partnership or association. Chainlink is making a name for itself. It is becoming a brand, to say the least. So this is great, in my opinion. Okay, so the cross-chain interoperability protocol, we've time and again followed Chainlink as well, covered Chainlink as well. You guys can check out the cross-chain interoperability protocol video for Chainlink news coverage. We're excited to announce that we have joined the Chainlink Scale program and are bringing the industry-leading Oracle solution to Hedera, starting with Chainlink data feeds and CCIP. So this is great. The news is filled with Chainlink association and association with Hedera. So this is great. As far as XRP is concerned, let's see what's happening with Ripple in real time, guys. Let's begin with the official handles, and then we can go and check out what the community is saying. So this is 6 hours ago. As demand for digital assets grows, secure custody solutions like Ripple Custody are must-haves for banks. As far as Ripple is concerned, the main target is financial institutions, large financial institutions to be precise, and the banks. Our digital asset custody guide offers a blueprint for managing digital assets to unlock revenue and drive customer trust in this $20 trillion market, guys. We're talking about trillions, disrupting trillions. This is not a joke, to be honest. This is a huge use case that Ripple is trying to provide to these institutions. Let's see what they have to say over here. How banks can tap into the digital asset opportunity. This is latest Team Ripple, October 29th, 2024. As digital assets continue their march towards mainstream finance, institutional crypto custody services are becoming mission-critical offerings for banks looking to remain competitive. The ability to securely store, manage, and safeguard assets and tokenized assets will determine whether banks are able to meet rising demand for new asset classes and position themselves at this 20 trillion market opportunity. Guys, the services that banks are trying to tap into have become outdated and are obsolete. They have basically become outdated since a while now. It's been a while since they are outdated, and they need different solutions. And this is where blockchain, the DLT, distributed ledger technology, they come into play. And Ripple is in the forefront. They have been building this network of so many partnerships and networks that they want to provide the services to. And we're talking about trillions over here, and the banks are no different. They would want to use the technology of Ripple to basically take their businesses and services forward. The digital custodian opportunity. So Ripple is basically providing that opportunity. Digital asset adoption is growing at a fever pitch because the inherent advantages enterprise blockchain affords. Why would they want to use it in the first place? Look at this. Speed, transparency, and immutability. Speed is something that everyone wants. Any good institution, any good project wants speed, wants the services to be fast. It needs to be transparent. You know that blockchain is transparent. It is transparent plus immutable. It cannot be changed. Everyone knows what's happening. So this gives it the advantage basically. It can help improve costs, reduce fraud, and boost liquidity. This is what Ripple is all about, regardless of the price action or what's happening in the market, what SEC is doing at the moment, and the negativity. This is what it wants to basically provide across a wide range of finance use cases, not just one, across a wide range of financial use cases, from cross-border remittances, cross-border payment solutions to tokenization and everything, guys, and everything in between. According to EY Parthenon study, 64% of retail investors already hold digital assets, while another 69% plan to increase investment over the next 2 to 3 years. Overall, up to 10% of all financial assets are expected to be tokenized by 2030. Tokenization itself, guys, it is a huge market. It is a huge market that would be disrupted. 16 trillion by 2030 that I have basically read. It can be more, it can be less, we never know. But the solutions that Ripple wants to solve is a lot. Driving revenue from enterprise blockchain use cases, banks offering digital asset custody solutions, or what PwC calls the foundation of any digital asset business, are well positioned to serve the core custody needs of a range of retail and institutional clients. The first target, I think, of the enterprise blockchains are the institutions, to be honest, but the retails will eventually benefit from this ecosystem as well. To be honest, there's going to be retail needs as well. This includes institutional investors from hedge funds and asset managers to family offices. All sorts of institutional investors would be involved who would require secure and compliant solutions. This is great. Banks can also use Ripple custody to ensure their services are compliant with stringent regulatory frameworks across regions. This is what differentiates Ripple from various other blockchains and technologies. It wants to have that great regulatory framework in place to provide services all across the globe, guys. I know it is having a problem and a real hard time in the USA by SEC, but they've got partnerships all over the globe. Look at this. We've got examples over here as well. For example, in jurisdictions like Hong Kong and Japan, recent government regulations now require providers to keep a certain percentage of customers' assets in cold storage. Beyond these core services, banks that leverage Ripple custody maintain full control over their operating and security models, including flexible deployment or private key management, which can also bring a host of innovative new use cases to the market. By the way, as far as the Ripple and Hedera are concerned, we discussed that they plan to solve the problem that you cannot bring back the assets or the coins that you've lost. If you've sent it somewhere and you want to basically, you did it by mistake, there are different scenarios, there are different solutions that they are trying to, Ripple, Hedera are trying to come up with by collaborating with other industry partners as well. So overall, Ripple, to be honest, it is trying to provide proven and trusted solutions to the institutions, to the banks, and provide which is secure, scalable, highly customizable to accommodate a wide range of applications in a nutshell. So guys, what do you guys think about this relentless building that Hedera and Ripple are doing? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.